Hello, I'm Maciek from SKAARHOJ. We're here at InfoComm 2025 and we are showing our new integrations. The latest one is Ember Plus, and thanks to that we can control mixing consoles like Stagetec in this case. So we've got Stagetec Nexus Compact and we can use our WaveBoard or our WaveBoard Mini to move faders, to mute channels, to stereo channels, and then move them together. Those faders are motorized, so yeah, you can build your own nice surface for your mixing desk, and it's not limited to Stagetec. You can do Ember Plus, you can do Yamaha, you can do any other mixing brands. Yeah, for more details and to check all of the integrations that we do, go to skaarhoj.com. Thank you.